Venmo Error Code 1003, also known as Authentication Failed, indicates a problem verifying your identity. This often happens during login, transactions, or accessing your account. In this video, we'll explain why it occurs and how to fix it. As of early 2026, Venmo has reinforced its authentication protocols to combat rising cyber threats, making this error more common but also more solvable. Error 1003 happens when Venmo's security system can't verify your identity. The system acts like a lock that only opens for the correct key. One common cause is entering incorrect passwords. This prevents the authentication process from completing successfully. Another cause is using an outdated app version. Older versions may not have the necessary security features for proper authentication. Unstable internet connections can also trigger this error. Poor connectivity interrupts the secure communication required for verification. Finally, suspicious activity like logins from unfamiliar devices or locations can cause Venmo's security algorithms to flag and block access. The most frequent cause of Venmo error 1003 is a simple typo in your password. Double-check that caps lock is off, as it changes letter case and can prevent login. Also ensure you're using the correct characters, numbers, and symbols exactly as entered. If you've recently changed your password, make sure you're using the new one. Old sessions on other devices might still be active, causing authentication to fail until you log out from all devices. If you suspect you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option in the Venmo app. This will send a reset link to your email or prompt phone verification to create a new password. Using an outdated version of the Venmo app can lead to authentication issues, including error 1003. This happens because older versions may not have the latest security fixes or bug patches. To fix this, ensure you have the latest version installed. For iOS devices, update through the App Store. For Android devices, update through the Google Play Store. Developers regularly release updates that include important bug fixes and security enhancements, which can resolve authentication errors like error 1003. Device verification is an important security step in Venmo. The app may ask you to verify your device, especially if you're logging in from a new phone or tablet. This happens to ensure only you can access your account and prevent unauthorized access. To verify, check your email for a verification link from Venmo. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm your device. This step is crucial for maintaining security and protecting your account from potential threats. Venmo's fraud detection system might flag your login as suspicious if it detects unusual activity. This includes logging in from a different location or using a VPN. If this happens, Venmo will likely require additional verification steps. Let's look at some key statistics on authentication issues in Venmo. Authentication-related problems, including error 1003, affect just 0.5% of active users each month. While fraud detection is highly successful at 98%, the recovery process takes 10 to 15 minutes and can reduce user satisfaction scores by 5 to 10 points. Compared to other payment apps, Venmo ranks in the middle tier for authentication errors. Avoid sharing your Venmo account with others. Shared accounts increase the risk of security breaches and can trigger error 1003. Each user should have their own unique account with strong, unique credentials. Error 1003 authentication failed can be frustrating, but by following these steps, checking passwords, updating the app, verifying your connection, and enabling MFA, you can usually resolve the issue quickly. Remember, it's a security measure designed to protect you. If all else fails, contact Venmo support.